Dembell is a company that obsesses over quality of design and engineering. Because they manufacture all of their components in-house, they're able to closely monitor the quality of every single motorhome that leaves their assembly line. So we are at the first phase of their factory, meaning this is where they receive the trucks, modify the chassis, and then start rebuilding them in order to create the frame of a Dembell motorhome.
And this is the next phase where you actually see when we actually do the
Fabrication.
the fabrication, the actual support for the wall, for the roofs, and for the bottom as well. Then we reconstruct the whole thing. We install all the engineering to the chassis, including the water tank, including the black water tank, and everything else what needs to be remodified. And then you can see these are the wall panel covered with aluminum to make sure that we got one solid whole entire side. So for the painting, that's why it looks so modern, no breaks in the lines.
Once the framework is completed, the motorhome goes to the next phase of the assembly line, the paint shop.
And this is when you get actually 6 layers of the paint. This is gonna be the white color of a smart garage motorhome. This is actually on the 4th layer right now, 2 more to come.
Gotcha. And it's that many layers to ensure that you protect all the aluminum panels and really seal off this motorhome.
Absolutely, but it also gives you a very clean design. When you look at from here, you don't see any edges, you don't see any breaks.
Panels.
Absolutely.
Finally, let's move to the last phase of the assembly line, where skilled engineers and technicians carefully install all the remaining components required to finish the motorhome and complete construction.
And this is where we're going to finally assemble all the bits and pieces, millions of bits and pieces, to make sure when you receive your RV, you're going to really experience a wow effect. So this is where the real cooking, the real magic happens.
Now, I want to recap this. Building a motorhome is technically like building a house. You have your foundation, which in this case is a Mercedes Actros. But then, in order to make it a motorhome, it's fully fabricated, it's a full steel envelope. After that, you're basically fabricating and piecing out all your components, your flooring, insulation, windows and doors, electrical panels. And to me, it's really fascinating to see that motorhome can be taken to such extent where you have all this luxury and amenities packed into such an efficient space.